Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Our topic is elastic constants. Now, what is elastic constants? Elastic constants are constants which determines the total deformation in a bar when it is subjected to three-dimensional stress system as shown in the figure up to the elastic limit. Hence the term elastic constants. Now, we have already studied two elastic constants. First is your modulus of elasticity, which is also called as Young's modulus. Another elastic constant which we have studied is modulus of rigidity, which is also called as shear modulus. Now we'll study the third elastic modulus, which is called as the bulk modulus, which is denoted by K. Now consider an elemental three-dimensional body which has been acted upon by three-dimensional compressive stresses denoted by P, and all the three stresses are of equal magnitude. Hence, in X, Y and Z direction we have stress P. So bulk modulus is defined as the ratio of direct stress upon volumetric strain. So we have bulk modulus K as minus of P upon EV. Now we know EV is given as EX plus EY plus EZ. So upon substituting here, we get K is equal to minus of P upon EX plus EY plus EZ. Therefore, K is equal to minus of P upon sigma 1 plus mu sigma 2 minus mu sigma 2 minus mu sigma 3 upon E plus sigma 2 minus mu sigma 1 minus mu sigma 3 upon E plus sigma 3 minus mu sigma 1 minus mu sigma 2 upon E. Now upon clubbing the sigma terms and mu terms together, we get K as minus of P upon sigma 1 plus sigma 2 plus sigma 3 into 1 minus 2 mu upon E. Now since sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3 are minus P, we have K is equal to minus P upon minus 3P into 1 minus 2 mu upon E. So therefore, PP gets cancelled and we have K is equal to E upon 3 1 minus 2 mu. So we can write the relation of E with K as E is equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu. Now similarly, we simply write the relation of E with G, which is given as E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. Another relation of E, G and K is given as E is equal to 9 kg upon 3K plus G. So these three relations are three elastic constant relation which helps in solving the problem of simple stresses and strain.